Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tailwind UI for branded layouts and components, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Tailwind UI website. Locate the Get Started or Pricing section. Review the subscription plans available. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Proceed to enter your payment information. Confirm your purchase by clicking on the appropriate button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Tailwind UI. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Log in to your new Tailwind UI account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Navigate to the Components or Layouts section. Browse through the available branded layouts and components. Click on any component or layout to view its details. Use the provided code snippets to integrate components into your projects. Experiment with customization options available for each component. Bookmark your favorite components for easy access in the future. Take advantage of any additional resources or documentation offered. Stay updated on new features and components by checking the Tailwind UI blog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.